angas niya, yung he knows he's a cartel, etc. Tapos, but ex-military, tapos you have si Enzo na nasa yung puso niya, di ba? You show the family side of the military, kaya pinakita kung paano kami kumain sa gitna ng gera, ano ba talagang ginagawa. Bits and pieces of all these things, but those are all real things that are happening in real life. From military to PTSD, to hindi natin ini-expect yung mga krimen na nangyari. I'm sorry to say, sometimes you don't treat it as a crime, you treat it as a problem po. No? Why? Example, yung sa Green Hills po, yung nagwawala po na security. May pinanggagalingan siya. It means his family. He wants to survive. He needs more. He's not well compensated, no? And people have reasons and reactions.
My God, nahalata pa niya yung security sa
Besides that po, we also have one. I forgot about province. Nalala niyo po yun nandun, yung nagpa-farm, bigla may dumaan sa peripheral niya, tapos bigla niyang binara ng sniper. But that, he had a vivid vision of a dehumanizing experience that you don't wanna ever, I mean, no human wants to experience. It's dehumanizing. But again, they went through that, and that's what causes the trauma. Even po as simple as cancer. I have a cousin who practically has the trauma, went through cancer, he's a cancer survivor. But again, you can get PTSD through all these things. No? And for us, one thing that this movie taught me was late judgment, because we're all, I myself, admittedly, we judge so easily, we judge people so easily. Ganito yan, ganyan, ganyan. But little do we know that these people are actually really going through something. You know, and again, like what my parents always tell me, before you even judge, you do a late judgment. Just look at two sides of the coin before you actually judge someone. So that's one of the things that this and I want the. I mean, ang layo, no? Puro bakbakan, but again, there's always depth to something, and that's the reason why we all accepted it, as Julia said. No? There's always an advocacy to it. It's mental health, and besides the awareness, ang dami na pong level and cases of mental health awareness. But this is our way as actors of, again, story is thought-provoking, it's very powerful. This is our best way to get the message out.
Yeah. And nabanggit mo na rin yung PTSD. So, curious na ako, may pinag-aralan mo ba or for that character?
PTSD, we had a psychiatrist with us. We had Lieutenant Colonel Cesar. And then I went through obviously some videos and recommendations for me to actually study online. And definitely there are different levels to it. And obviously with much research and with talks to direct and of course our psychiatrist, we were able to curate or come up with some realistic ways of reacting when you have PTSD, because in the very beginning I didn't want to represent anything badly. You know, that's such a crucial, such a sensitive topic nowadays, and I just don't want to mess up. I just really wanted to, express and help out and spread the awareness as much as we can.
Yeah. And lastly na lang, are you expecting a blockbuster or magkaroon ng maraming
No,
awards?
hindi na. I was
Hindi,
never,
word of mouth lang.
no, pero I was never after the box office. Alam naman siguro ng mga tao yan. But who doesn't want to be?